Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I paint a nice crisp line using painter's tape. So this is just a piece of plywood that I painted white, and we're going to do half of it blue. I have my color here, and we're going to put a piece of the painter's tape right across, and I'm going to paint the bottom half blue. Now, if you're painting a room and you want to do the bottom half or the top half a different color, this is a laser level, and this is going to help you with your line so that you can place your tape right on the wall. This is also good if you're placing a wallpaper, that way you know it's straight. This green frog tape is my favorite painter's tape to use. I have also used the blue one, but this green one has given me the best results. You have your painter's tape up on your wall. You're gonna take a nail and make sure your tape is really well on there. All right, so first step is to paint over the edge of your tape. And you're going to go downward. And you're going to apply a little bit of pressure as you're doing this. And once you get the hang of it, press into it and go faster. And then you go across, and you can roll the bottom half of the wall as placed. So you're gonna cut your corners and you can roll on your paint from here. I applied a quick second coat, but you wanna make sure, this is key, that when you're removing the painter's tape, that your paint is still slightly wet. So you don't wanna wait for the paint to completely dry. I typically wait like 10 minutes and then I remove the tape. So let's remove the tape now. That is how you get a nice, crisp line. Look at that. It's so satisfying.